All right, so here's a second video because the first one was um, the time limit cut me off. So this is the second strategy: 5,380 divided by 6. All right, so there's four place values. You got thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. All right, so I want you to draw three lines to separate those. So you got thousands, hundreds, you got thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. All right. So you're gonna put that place value drawing. You're gonna draw 5,000s. So what I did was drew and wrote 1,000 each one of those. All right. So you gotta do five of those. Then 300s. So you can make those a little smaller. 8 tens, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then no ones. All right. So when you're doing this strategy, you got to take the six. That's what you're going to circle every time in each group. So can I circle six of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I can't. So I got to take all of these and turn them into hundreds. So when I cross out one, it becomes 10 hundreds. So yes, that's a lot of drawing. That's why this strategy is going to take a lot longer. 2, 3, 4, and it's going to take me even longer on this. 5, 6, 7, 8, and I try to keep it within fives. 9, 10. So I got to do that four more times. So that's going to be 40 of those. All right. So I'm going to cross this out, because it's 10, 20, 30, and then 40, because every time you go over to the next, it's 10 times more. All right. So I got to take 10 of these. 10 of these make one of those. All right. So I did 10. So now I got to do 40 more. So 1, and I'm going to make them smaller. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They might start looking like circles. 12. Remember, I got to do 40. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So told you that's a lot of drawing. That's why the other strategy is going to be a lot faster, because every time you have to take over, you got to do 10 for however many. So let's circle 6. So that's 5, 6. So that's one group. Let's circle 6 more. That's two groups. All right, I'm going to circle these 6. 3 groups. I'm going to circle these 6. That's 4 groups. I'm going to circle these 6. That's 5 groups. So that's 6 groups, 7 groups of 6, and I'm going to circle 6 more. So that's 8 groups of 6. So my answer is starting off. I didn't have anything here, so I got to start off with 8 because that's my 8 groups. So now I got 5 left over. So remember, one of these makes 10 of these. So this 100 is going to be crossed out to make 10. So I already got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Then I cross out this one, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, cross this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, cross that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I won't count this one. I'll just make that part of that. 10. And then the last 10, cross that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this strategy is for more so knowing how to count, all right? Because I know we got to practice our multiplication facts more. So the first strategy that I did on the other video helps when you know your multiplication facts more. This strategy helps with counting, knowing that you got to count 6 and circle 6 of them, and then you can count that, all right? So I made my 50 because I had 500, so I made 50 of those. So I got a circle now. So 3, 6. So that's one group. 2 groups. 3 groups. 4 groups. 5 groups. 6 groups. 7 groups. 8 groups. And 9 groups. So I'm going to put a 9 up here. 9. So I got 4 of these left. I can't make another group. So I got to take all of these and make them into ones. So when I cross out 1, that becomes 10 ones. So all right, so those are my 10 dots. So I got to do it again, 10 more. Ten more, because I'm going to have 40 in all. And then last 10. So remember, this strategy is going to take you a long time. So if you do this on the test, you should be spending a lot of time on that test. So let me see, 3, 6, 9, 10. All right. So I'm going to circle 6. Remember, 6 is our divisor, so that's why we're circling 6. All right, I'm going to circle 6 of these. That's 2 groups. 6 of these. That's 3 groups. 6, 4 groups. 5 groups. And 6 groups. Oh, there's something left over. There's 4 ones left over. So that was 6 groups. And there's 4 ones left over. So since I don't have another area to go to, then that becomes my remainder of 4 ones. All right, so 896 remainder 4. Same answer as the other strategy, just a lot longer, but you can count and make your groups this way. All right, so I want you to pick the strategy that you feel the most comfortable with, no matter how much time it takes you. Okay.